exciting fairy race is starting!
And Mark, Ray, and Maggie!
Whoa, they're on a topic.
Don't worry. Remember, Mal and steady.
Can win the race.
Mashiv, the agus cuan.
We're Team Puppy.
Eraglin. I don't see Fia and Kuan anywhere.
They must be going on the wall. Come on, let's keep going.
Look, an obstacle course.
Ínta, Araglin.
Huh? Wait, Kuan, it's this way.
Oh yeah, we would have missed that arrow if we weren't going Mal.
Mahu, Fia. I'm tired.
Me too. And we're so fast. We should have reached the finish line by now.
Oh no, maybe we were going so topic that we missed a turn.
Let's go back and check.
Where are Blahin and Amir?
They were on topic. Shouldn't they be finished by now?
Oh no, we were going Mal, so we spotted that arrow. But maybe they were going so topic, they missed it and got lost. Let's go back and find them.
We did miss the arrow.
We were too toppy, Amir. Oh, Fia and Kun will have won by now.
Aw.
Eraglin!
Huh?
Amir, Blahin, we came back for you.
Thanks.
Come on, let's finish this race together.
Woohoo!